So this is how I use spray glue. If at all possible, if you have a ventilation booth, that's the best place to be spraying. But if you don't, this is the second best method. Now if you're going to spray a lot, I would suggest going outside, but if it's just going to be an item once in a while, then this will work for you. So let's say I want to get this image, but it's on flimsy paper and I want to adhere it to something that's a little bit more stiff. What I'm going to do is spray both of them and then adhere them together. So I'm going to take the back of the image, shake up my can. I also want to make sure that the nozzle is clear, so you can use a fingernail to make sure, and have a trash can nearby. Go ahead and spray a little into the trash can to make sure it's actually flowing, and then I'm going to spray just the half away from my hand down into the spray can. Very quickly, very little, and then I turn it around and I spray the other half. Set that down, and then I'm going to adhere it onto this paper. So I'm going to go ahead and spray. I really only need to spray half, and that's all you need. You don't need very much of the spray to work, and already I can just touch my finger and it'll stick. Now if you only spray one, it'll stick, but it won't be permanent. If you spray both, wait a minute, and then you put both of them together, then you can press it on, and you get what's called kind of a spray mount. So this is pretty good, but if you have a wrinkle like I have here, that's going to be permanent. It's very hard to get this stuff to unrelease from itself. Press on the back of it and we're good. Now because my wrinkle is off to the side, it doesn't matter because this is the part that I need. So this can be done with artwork that's a little bit flimsy. You can do this with watercolors that have maybe wrinkled up a bit and you want to flatten them down again to maybe foam core or whatever. But that's how we spray glue. Make sure this is capped and put away so somebody doesn't accidentally think that this is fixative or something else, which has definitely happened in my classes.